Savory and umami bun. Rice cooker Japanese chicken wing rice. $150 of rice. Rinse the rice until the water runs clear. Drain the rinsed rice thoroughly. $60 of carrots. Thinly slice the carrots into quarter rounds. $200 of chicken wings. A dash of salt and pepper. Repeat on the other side. Medium heat. 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Heat the fry pan thoroughly. Sear the chicken wings until the skin is crispy. If you're short on time, skip this step and just dump and go. Save the drippings in the pan to use later. One tablespoon of soy sauce. Half tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of mirin. Half teaspoon of consomme powder or your favorite stock powder or bouillon. A dash of white pepper. Half teaspoon of sugar. Mix well. Add the rinsed and well-drained rice. 200 ml of water. Add the pre-made sauce. Mix well. Add the sliced carrot. Add the chicken wings. Spread the ingredients evenly. Add the reserved chicken drippings. Place the inner pot into the rice cooker and cook it as you would regular white rice. For the best result, use only up to half of your rice cooker's capacity. Give it a good toss.今日の料理は手羽先炊き込みご飯でした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.